Hello students, in this lecture I will tell you that how you can use the switch statement in Matlab. Suppose I have some option. Example, I am going to input data from the user. Please enter a number. In the range 1 to 10, 1 to 4. When I execute this, within command window, it has asked me to enter a number. So I have entered 6 over there. Now I would like to use the switch statement so that you may know that how you can use the switch command in Matlab. So using switch statement, and I have applied that on the input data variable display. Now if I execute it, okay, I have made a mistake over here. So you have entered the variable 1. Now I can write some more cases, that if case the person has entered 2, then it should display that have entered the number 2. And similarly, if a person entered 3, and should be displayed as 3. If he has entered 4, this should be displayed as the person has entered 4. Otherwise, display out of range. So when I execute this code, the Matlab had asked me to enter some value between 1 and 4. If I entered 1, it tells me that you have entered the okay, I have to remove this. So it tells me that you have entered 1. When I entered 4, it tells me that you have entered 4. But if I entered 0, tell me that it is out of range. If I enter 333, it's out of range. So the switch command is used with various different cases. When your some case statement become true, then the code below that case statement get executed. So there may be multiple options for the variable to get input from the user. If a user entered any option within these four cases, then the code below the case statement will get executed. Otherwise, the default statement will be executed uh, to show that you have not entered the right option. So this is the algorithm of the switch statement. You can create calculator, you can create any other robotic software where switch is required, and there may be multiple cases, so you can display and switch the code to any case that you want. Thank you so much.